In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can create exempt trading account and get 100% bonus in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. It's a very easy process to do. So for the first step, from your home screen, you can open your App Store or Play Store if you are using Android. Then simply search for exempt. Here it is. Open it and install it. After installation, you can try to open this application. It will open up like this. You can select open account. Then it will take you to this page here where you will see this email and password option. But we need to create an account first. We need to click on it, create an account, and then you can select your country of residence and click continue. Here, select continue. Then you need to provide your email address. After writing your email address, confirm it if you want and select continue. Then you need to select your password. It should be secure. After creating your password, select register. Then it will show you this dashboard here. Please check your email. You can open your Gmail account and open the email from exempt. Here it is. You will see here verify email. Click on it and it will open up like this. Then you can select accept all, and then you will get this notification your email address is verified and here's your account. Now we need to verify it. Click back and open the app again and try to log in your account. Type your email and then password and select login account. Then you need to authenticate first. It will send a code to your email. Simply copy the code and paste it here. After pasting it, it will take you to this page here where you will see your real account. Now then you will see this type of notification. We need to following information to provide you with our financial services. Firstly, you need to verify your phone number, personal information, and then documents. Select continue, type your number and select receive code. Type the code that you will receive and select verify. Now your number is verified. Now for the second step, click continue, and here you need to complete your profile. You need to type the first name and the last name. It should be same and matches with your ID card. Click continue, select your date of birth and click continue. Then type your address. After writing address, write city, street number and postal code and then click continue. Then it will ask you to add your investor details. You can simply answer these questions and click continue. Now you need to upload your documents to verify your profile. Click on upload documents and it will show you these two options. Required information. You can open it and it will ask you these some of questions like US citizen for tax purpose and many other questions. You can simply answer it and click continue. Then in the next step, you need to verify your identity by just uploading your documents. Select upload document and then you will be on this page here where if you click on that start verification, you will see this choose issuing country or region. You have to select your own region and then you can select ID type. I'm selecting here my identity card and then simply verify your ID card here. After verifying your ID card, it will ask for face verification. After verifying your face, in the next step, you need to verify your residence. You can click on this option to click to upload. You can simply select your residence proof. I'm uploading my ID card details for residential proof and then you will see this notification. You have successfully uploaded your document. Now you can deposit and trade on exempt. If you click on that deposit, you will see here 100% bonus. If you deposit $100, you will get 100% bonus. And if I open my profile here, you can see here it's showing verified. You can also complete your financial profile by just clicking on complete form and by just giving the answers of these questions. Then you will see this notification of success and that's it. So that's how you can create exempt trading account in just few easy steps.